We're going to talk about, are you drinking enough water? How you doing on that New Year's resolution? We're going to talk about, like, anecdotally, 75% to 80% of Americans are literally dehydrated. And you're looking to drink more water. Maybe you're drinking more raw. You're drinking more like hint beverages. 5 easy payments of $5.20 for 2 of these. They're two-cup glass tumblers. You get the lid, and then inside the lid is a straw, which goes to that flip top little mouthy piece right here. So for you and your honey, maybe you're getting it for your grandkids, somebody walking across the green because they're at school. Here are the colors. This is gonna be your blue, but this is really like a peacock blue. It's really pretty. It's more a greeny blue, kind of teal. This is the purple, which is really more of a lilac. And here's your red, which is not red. It is really more of a mauvey, kind of mauvey terracotta-y. 5 easy payments of $5.20, and you're getting both of them. Janine Ferrillo, this is so funny. I'm looking at these colors, and I'm like, they are not blue, purple, and red, although that's
Agreed.
what we're calling them.
I don't know I don't know why we did that, and I'm sorry for any confusion. But nonetheless, they are beautiful colors, right?
Yeah,
They
they're
really
really
are
pretty.
pretty.
Yeah.
They're prettier than
Yeah,
blue,
they
red,
they
and,
actually are.
Yeah, they're beautiful. So, Rachel, this has become my new favorite. I use it for absolutely everything. They fit in your car cup holder, so I always
Oh,
have this
nice.
with me. And we are seeing a huge trend where people are moving over to glass. And
Yeah.
this is our wonderful glass that you all love so much, our borosilicate glass. It's really nice. You have this silicone seal right here, the
Nice
silicone
grip.
wrapping around, nice
Yeah.
grip. So that's easy for you to grip, especially if it's hot, because you could do hot and cold beverages in
Yeah.
here. And that's really nice. So maybe it's your coffee. Maybe you're not going to buy your coffee every day. Maybe you made a little promise to yourself to save a few bucks this year
Yeah.
and just make your own coffee, put it in here, and then off to work you go. So this is nice. Now that straw, when you lift
Yeah.
that up,
Yeah.
now that's wonderful. You can put this in the dishwasher or you can hand wash it. When you open up the entire lid, you'll see that the straw does is
Come on.
removable, this
Yeah.
part. So you know those little skinny bristle
Yeah,
brushes that you get?
absolutely.
You can
Yep.
do that.
Yep.
And then what I do is I use that skinny bristle brush and I put it right through this section,
Oh,
the top
nice.
sippy part as
Yep.
well,
Yeah.
to get that clean. So hand wash or dishwasher safe, hot or cold beverages in here. And really, this is wonderful because I love the fact that you just flip it down to close it. It locks closed. And then when you open it, there you go. Your straw's ready to go for you. So I love that. And then the
That
other side opens as well. And if you just want that mouthpiece right there where you can just you can have the opening there to sip from as well. If you don't want to use a straw, you
Yeah,
don't have to.
that's nice.
So this is really
I
nice.
do want to let you know that they have some heft to them. They feel substantial. So they're
They do.
0.86 pounds a piece because it is borosilicate glass. If I put them, so you hear,
Yeah, they are.
you can hear
Yeah.
that they're substantial. I love them. So I'm thinking if you're looking at a color that's going to inspire you in the morning, if you want to have this next to you, your
Sure.
desk when you're doing FaceTime for forever and ever, amen. Honestly, Janine, I talk to friends and they're like, I'm at my 6th FaceTime meeting of the day. I've been doing
Oh,
this for 6 hours.
that's
And
a
I'm
drag.
like, are you kidding me? Like,
I
does
don't want to
anybody get
do
a
that.
potty break? Is anybody taking snacks? Are you turning your camera off? There'd be no way I could honestly sit for that long. I would be pulling my hair out. I'd be like doodling,
I
you know,
don't
all
think
those little
any of us
things where
could
they're
do
like,
this job.
draw Tippy. I'd be drawing a
Yeah.
puppy dog or something. Anyway, I
Yeah.
have to go because I'm going to QVC,
Yep.
but I'm just going to share with you again. This is what we're calling our blue, which is a peacock blue. Beautiful tealy
Beautiful.
blue, gorgeous color. That's the most popular. Remember, you get both of them for $5.20. Here it is in the purple, which is a beautiful lilac lavender. We're doing all sorts of a garden programming right now. So if lavender is like your jam, that's it. And then here it is in the red, which really, in my mind, is more of a terracotta. It's gorgeous. Janine, thanks so much for the fun. If you'll just
Rachel,
take it from
thanks.
here.
I'll wrap it up.
Okay,
Thanks so
great.
much. I'll see you
Thanks,
tomorrow.
love.
Okay. All right. See ya. So, what I love to do with this is, like Rachel mentioned earlier, a lot of us are not getting enough hydration. I know that I'm not. I was coughing earlier in the show. I need to stay more hydrated. That's why I always take mine with me now. So, here I have some lemonade. I just can pour it right in here. You can make your own lemonade, your own fresh brewed iced tea. I love that I can just pour and go, put my lid on. I always like to drink from a straw. I read years and years ago it's always better for your teeth to do that. So I like try to always use a straw when I can. Pops right open again. So when you want to take a sip, Stay hydrated, really nice way to do that. Love it. And I love the silicone grip on here. Makes it easy for you to use, especially if there's something hot in here. Here in this one, I have my cold brew coffee. It could be your hot coffee. I am personally not a coffee drinker, but I do like it when it is a cold brew. So I love that. This is nice. Again, take this with you to work, take it with you to school, on the go, running your errands. Try not to always buy that coffee out if you can, if that'll help you. How about for the kids, though? You can have milk in here. So I love putting milk in here. You can also do the orange juice in the morning. You can send them off. A lot of times in my house, we are never running on time, and most days we are a little bit late. I try my best, but you know how it goes. So I like to put their drinks in here in the morning. And again, they fit in the car cup holder. So that's really nice. So that when we are on the go, they have a nice drink with them and something to eat on the way. And then in here, your iced tea. So here, if you just want to add some lemons, you could do that. So I'm going to twist this open again. Remember, the top is the twist. The straw is removable so that you can clean that. Now, here, these are the Triton that we just showed you, those 1 cup Triton. So I have some lemons and limes in here. Just going to put a lime, and then I have some lemon in here as well. So if you just want to have that taste in your iced tea, I'm going to keep it moving because this one is water. But if you like to do infused water, so most of the time mine is filled with water. That's really all I really drink these days. But I like to have something in here. So maybe it's strawberries, maybe it's cucumbers, maybe you put mint in here, whatever you want to put to infuse your water. But now, however, it helps you get it down so that you stay hydrated and you drink more, this is a great way to do it. This is a wonderful size. This is so nice. It's the go to size. I'm telling you, you'll love this. Over 150 orders on this one. And remember, this is 5 easy pay of $5.20. So get this home for just $5.20. It's an incredible value today. And these are new. We've only had these on one other time, and everyone is loving these. And I'm telling you, they're adorable. They're not too cumbersome. Listen, there's a lot of water bottles out there now, and there's a lot of other things, and they're huge. They're massive. I mean, they weigh my children's school bags to the side. Every time I go to put it in, it's like, oh God, is it going to fall? But these are really a nice size. Now, yes, they are glass, so you want to be careful, but but they're not dainty, right? They're glass, but they are really lovely. They're really going to be a workhorse. You're going to use them all the time and stay hydrated. Get all of your, get that daily amount of liquid that we need. Okay. I know that I always don't, and most of you might agree. So listen, you have the choice of your colors again on this set. Brian, how many left? Are we good with the lilac? Is this what we're calling our lilac? Okay, so our lilac. Oh, purple, but it's more like a lilac. Blue, we already told 200 orders. This is our blue, but really, like Rachel said, our peacock. And then this is our red, but really more of like a pinky terracotta. So stay tuned. Keeping It Clean is up next. Thanks for joining us for this hour of Lock and Lock. And my good friend Scotty Hind and Kylie Watts are going to kick it off.